Hello all. Here I'm going to present about the open elective subject Database Fundamentals offered by the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. These days, we are living in a digital world where businesses are producing and dealing with vast amounts of data daily. So this vast amount of daily includes huge collection of structured and unstructured data. To maintain this sheer volume and complexity of the data, so the manual handling or a simple method cannot be able to handle and extract valuable information from the data. This is why businesses are turning into a data technologies in these days. So now let us see what is this data or databases and all. So data means data is the facts and statistics collected together for reference or analysis, or we can say data are observations or measurements represented as text, numbers, or multimedia. So we can see in this picture there are two types of systems. We can see in the figure here. So first one is database management system. So it is a software system which is used to manage the data. So using this DBMS, we can manage the data efficiently, and this system allows users to perform multiple tasks with easier manner. So whereas this file system or the traditional file system is going to store a collection of raw files of data into a hard disk. So now we can say a database is a collection of related data. Now let us see the actual definition of the database management system. So it's a general purpose software system that facilitates the processes of defining, constructing, manipulating, and sharing databases among various users and applications. So using this, we can organize our database files and provides end users more access and control over their data. And also with this we can improve data processes and increase the business value of the organization data assets. So now let us see, we can see the example here, a simple student database in an organization which is in a relational, or we can say a table manner. So there are different end users, casual end users or a normal occasionally one we are going to use the database. The next one is newer parametric end users. So these end users are going to retrieve the data based upon some parameters. Sophisticated end users, or we can say engineers, business analysts. So standalone users. So these are the users who are going to retrieve the data or use this database management system with the help of some applications. The next, we can see some of the advantages. So I'm going to mention your first one is controlling redundancy. So it's going to remove the repeated data and restricting unauthorized access. So no unauthorized people or unauthorized system cannot access the data present in the database. The next is providing backup and recovery if in case of any system failure. Then providing multiple user interfaces. And the next is integrity constraints. So now let us see why to study or why the students should opt this database fundamental subjects, because if in case the students want to pursue a career in software field, DBMS is most important thing in software development. So whether we can see or we know that every company from small one to bigger ones need this system, and there are only few people who are expert at this. If the students can master in this subject, they can easily get a good job with high salary. And I mentioned some of the job roles here: database administrators, database designers, system analysts, and application programs. Thank you, one and all.